Sidekick, Rocky, Elliot, and Ferrari. They're waiting to meet Frankie. The donkeys are checking Frankie out, but she hasn't seen them yet. What do you think, donkeys? Frankie, where are the donkeys? Did you find the donkeys? Where are they? No, where are the donkeys, huh? Hi, Rocky. Inside, there's Sidekick and Mr. Elliot. No, I'm sorry, that's Mr. Ferrari. Sidekick. And this is my favorite, Elliot. I love Elliot. Hi, Elliot. Where are you going? Are you under the bench? Are you under the bench, you silly goose? Oh, they're checking each other out. What do you think, Frankie? Rocky thought Frankie was pretty cool. By Sidekick again, yep. Here come all the donkeys with Frankie. Hey, that's cute. What do you think, Frankie? All those big... Frankie. They're eating together.
Donkeys.